Wiz Khalifa, a rapper known not only for his chart-topping music but also for his smart business strategies and luxury investments. A story of an empire backed by a $70 million net worth. Today, we'll explore how he built his world through endorsements, business ventures, and real estate investments. Wiz Khalifa, a name that dominates the music industry. But did you know his talent isn't limited to just music? This multi-talented rapper, singer, and songwriter has become a global icon through his entrepreneurial and financial decisions. From personal relationships to luxury mansions, high-performance cars, and successful businesses, his journey is nothing short of inspiring. Today, we'll take a look at every important aspect of his financial empire. Wiz Khalifa's personal life has been as dynamic as his professional one. In 2011, he started a relationship with model Amber Rose, which became a media sensation. They married in 2013, and that same year, their son Sebastian Taylor Thomas was born. However, by 2014, their marriage ended in divorce. Even after the divorce, Wiz and Amber Rose showed maturity in co-parenting, opting for joint custody of their son. In 2016, Wiz started a relationship with Brazilian model Isabella Guedes, but it also ended in 2018. Since 2019, he has been in a relationship with Instagram model and entrepreneur Amy Aguilar, and in 2024, they announced they're expecting their first daughter. Wiz Khalifa is not just an artist, but also a smart entrepreneur. His business and endorsement portfolio is quite diversified. He's struck lucrative deals with major brands like Converse, Reebok, and Raw Rolling Papers, enhancing his public image and diversifying his income streams. In 2016, he launched his own marijuana brand, Khalifa Kush, which has become a major name in the legal cannabis market. The brand offers premium products like pre-roll joints and vapes, significantly boosting his revenue. He also launched Bash Clothing, a stylish and casual wear brand named after his son Bash. Along with this, his digital gaming app, Weed Farm, has become quite popular, offering users a virtual cannabis farming experience. In 2008, he founded Taylor Gang Entertainment, an independent music label and film production company that promotes new artists. In 2023, he launched Mr. Cap's Mushrooms, an organic wellness brand that promotes natural health. Wiz Khalifa's $7 million mansion in Los Angeles is a perfect example of his luxury lifestyle. Spanning 8,000 square feet, the property features modern architectural elegance, high-end interiors, and sprawling outdoor spaces. It includes a private home theater, a fully equipped gym, and a luxurious pool with a sports court, offering both relaxation and recreation. This mansion not only reflects his success but also serves as a strong example of his financial planning. His luxury car collection also reflects his refined taste and preference for high-performance vehicles. His garage includes a Dodge Challenger SRT8, Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, and Porsche 911, among others. These cars not only represent his personality but are appreciating assets that contribute to his wealth. Today, the total value of these cars could easily be in the millions, further solidifying Wiz's financial empire. Wiz Khalifa's story is truly inspirational. As a talented artist, he has built his empire through smart financial strategies and an entrepreneurial mindset. Endorsements, business ventures, luxury real estate, and high-performance cars, his journey shows how passion and planning can lead to success. So, that was the story of Wiz Khalifa, a rapper who became a global name not just through music but also through smart business strategies and luxury investments. The empire he built is a result of hard work and careful planning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below on which of Wiz Khalifa's investments you admire the most. See you in the next video, where we'll bring you more inspiring stories.